Hey boys and girls, we have another story today by Robert Munch. Today's story is called Moira's Birthday, written by Robert Munch, illustrated by Michael Marchinsko. Boys and girls, we know that Robert Munch writes crazy stories. This one is pretty silly. Let's get started. One day, Moira went to her mother and said, "For my birthday, I want to invite grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and kindergarten." Her mother said, "Are you crazy? That's too many kids." So Moira went to her father and said, "For my birthday, I want to invite grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and kindergarten." Her father said, "Are you crazy? That's too many kids. For your birthday, you can invite 6 kids, just 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And no kindergarten." So Moira went to school and invited 6 kids. But a friend who had not been invited came up and said, "Oh, Moira, couldn't I please come to your birthday party?" Moira said, okay. By the end of the day, Moira had invited grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and kindergarten. But she didn't tell her mother and father. She was afraid they might get upset. On the day of the party, someone knocked on the door. Rap, 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 rap. Moira opened it up and saw 6 kids. Her father said, "That's it, 6 kids. Now we can start the party." Moira said, "Well, let's just wait 1 minute." So they waited 1 minute, and something knocked on the door like this. Blam, 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 blam. The father and the mother opened the door, and they saw grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and kindergarten. The kids ran in right over the father and mother. When the father and mother got up off the floor, they saw kids in the basement, kids in the living room, kids in the kitchen, kids in the bedroom, kids in the bathroom, and kids on the roof. They said, "Moira, how are we going to feed all these kids?" Moira said, "Don't worry, I know what to do." She went to the telephone and called a place that made pizzas. She said, "To my house, please send 200 pizzas." The lady at the restaurant yelled, "200 pizzas? Are you crazy? 200 pizzas is too many pizzas." "Well, that is what I want," said Moira. "We'll send 10, said the lady. "Just 10. 10 is all we can send right now." Then she hung up. Then Moira called the bakery. She said, "To my house, please send 200 birthday cakes." The man at the bakery yelled, "200 birthday cakes? Are you crazy? That is too many birthday cakes." "Well, that is what I want," said Moira. "We'll send 10, said the man. "Just 10. 10 is all we can send right now." Then he hung up. So a great big truck came and poured just 10 pizzas into Moira's front yard. Another truck came and poured just 10 birthday cakes into Moira's front yard. The kids looked at the pile of stuff and they all yelled, "Food!" They opened their mouths as wide as they could and ate up all the pizzas and birthday cakes in just 5 seconds. Then they all yelled, "More food!" "Uh-oh," said the mother. "We need lots more food or there's not going to be a party at all. Who can get us more food fast?" The 200 kids yelled, "We will!" and ran out the door. Moira waited for 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. "They're not coming back," said the mother. "They're not coming back," said the father. "Wait and see," said Moira. Then something knocked at the door like this. Blam, 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 blam. The mother and father opened it up, and the 200 kids ran in carrying all sorts of food. There was fried goat, rolled oats, burnt toast, and artichokes, old cheese, baked fleas, boiled bats, and beans. There was eggnog, pork sog, simmered soup and hot dogs, jam jars, dinosaurs, chocolate bars, and stew. The 200 kids ate the food in just 10 minutes. When they finished eating, everyone gave Moira their presents. Moira looked around and saw presents in the bedrooms, presents in the bathroom, and presents on the roof. "Uh-oh," said Moira. "The whole house is full of presents. Even I can't use that many presents." "And who," asked the father, "is going to clean up this mess?" "I have an idea," said Moira, and she yelled, "Anybody who helps clean up gets to take home a present." The 200 kids cleaned up the house in just 5 minutes. Then each kid took a present and went out the door. "Whew," said the mother, "I'm glad that's over." "Whew," said the father, "I'm glad that's over." "Uh-oh," said Moira. "I think I hear a truck." A great big dump truck came and poured 190 pizzas into Moira's front yard. The driver said, "Here's the rest of your pizzas." Then another dump truck came and poured 190 birthday cakes into Moira's front yard. The driver said, "Here's the rest of your birthday cakes." "How," said the father, "are we going to get rid of all this food?" "That's easy," said Moira. "We'll just have to do it again tomorrow and have another birthday party. Let's invite grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and kindergarten." The end. Oh, boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed our Robert Munch story for the day. Have a great day.